Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to our February BoxyCharm unboxing. It is the 8th of the month and I already got both of my boxes. I actually got my premium box on the 6th. So girl, that was super quick. I was a little shook. I'm going to start off with my base box. I do have my premium box back here as well. So let's just jump right into it because you guys know I can talk for days. So starting off with the theme, which is XOXO, very Valentine Day-ish. Here is my version because I feel like now I have to just like show you guys the long number letter combination thing. I'm going to start off with this product, which is a Saturday Skin product, and I actually was very excited to get this. I was hoping I was going to get this. See, it'll focus. There we go. Now this is the what is it? Yuzu Vitamin C Sleeping Mask. I personally love sleeping masks. My favorite ones are the Glow Recipe one. I have the one from, actually two Glow Recipe ones. I just thought about that. And then, well, I get to try this one out now, which I'm very much excited for. It does have a very slight, like, vitamin C scent, but very slight. The packaging is so cute. I actually...
Wow. This just happened to me in the last video. My earring just said, not today, girl. Not today.
So I was very excited to get this as I received a moisturizer, I think, in another of my boxes from them, from Saturday Skin, and I really ended up liking it. I finished it up completely. This says it retails for $29, so I'm excited to use that. Next, we have this product from Wander Beauty. It's a double date lip and cheek product that retails for $22. Now, this product, I mean, I'm going to be honest, I wasn't very excited for it when I opened it because it is a cream like blush and lip balm type of thing. I mean, I guess I will still try it. I didn't try it out today because the color just didn't really catch my attention. It's that like a deep bubblegum pink shade, and I'm more into peachy shades or just mauvey shades. I'll still try it because sometimes there's products that don't look that nice in the pan, but once you apply them, they definitely go on prettier and they look nicer on the skin. And then the lip balm is just like a clear lip balm. I actually did use this and it did hydrate my lips. It's not thick or like too how do I say it? It doesn't feel too heavy or thick on the lips. It's nice, just, you know, throw it on very quickly. I would have liked it if it was just a lip balm. I would have loved that. But again, I'll try out the cheek product and see if I like it. The next product we got, the last two products, three actually, are all products I use for today's makeup look. And starting off with this cute little brush set from the brand Glamier. It's a pink luxe glitter eye brush collection. It retails for $29.95. Now, I am never disappointed when I get brushes. I am always happy to receive brushes, to buy brushes. I just love brushes. And these specifically are absolutely adorable. I have been wanting some brushes like this. Tell me why. I don't know. Just because I think it's so cute. And it has little hearts inside, so I feel like this is the only Valentine Day-ish thing in the box. So it's cute or whatever. So yeah, I actually used all four of the brushes. I really like them. The quality is actually nice, and I was especially happy for this tiny little brush. I love these style of brushes to clean up my brows, clean up my lip liner, lipstick, liquid lipstick, you know, just in general, make it really nice and crisp. So this is definitely a favorite already. Just like last month's box, I got brushes and I fell in love with one of the like very precise brushes. So next we have the Ace Beaute. I don't know if it's pronounced Beauty, Beauté, Beaute. I'm gonna say Beaute. Ace Beaute Nostalgia.
Nostalgia palette.
And this one retails for $38.99. Now, I was going to...
What happened to my lights? When do they turn off? So rude. Let's put a timer so they can turn off. Okay, there's the vibe.
I wanted to use the palette that I got in my premium box, but then I chose this one because this color right here, this shade raspberry, caught my attention, and I just wanted to do like a blown out just berry shade eye look. Very monochromatic with the lip color. You guys know this is always my vibe. I love these colors, so I decided to play with those for this look. And yeah, I could have done a more pink look for the Valentine's Day vibes, but I decided, I mean, this would be my Valentine's Day look. Honestly, I don't really do pinks. I do more of these like wine shades. So I ended up really liking the palette. I love the packaging of it. It's so cute. It's like the third palette I received from this brand in my BoxyCharm, and I am not mad about it. I'm actually super happy with that. The last product in this box is from the brand Saint Luxe Beauty. It's a limited edition liner duo, and at first I thought it was an eyeliner, and I was like, oh man, no. Because I don't really like to receive these type of eyeliners. But this says it retails for $40, like this duo of lip liners. So it's actually a lip liner. I use the color Secret Admirer for to line my lips and fill them in, because I wanted a deeper, like more brown berry lip look. And then the color Love Letter is the other one in the box, and I'll show you guys swatches right here. They're actually really pretty colors. They're really pretty nude colors, like more warm tones that I would definitely use, and I did like the formula. I thought they were retractable, but they are the ones that you sharpen, so I like that as well. And that's basically it for the products that I got in this box. Again, it was an okay box. It didn't really scream Valentine's other than the brushes, in my opinion. But I guess, I mean, if you think about it, the lip liners have the Secret Admirer name in the lip liner. So moving on to our premium box, which has the same theme as the base box. And just want to let you guys know, today was choice, and I decided to cancel my Luxe box for next month, because I feel like, I mean, Luxe boxes don't feel Luxe to me anymore. They just feel like any other box, and it doesn't even feel like a luxury box. Like most of the time, the base box, when it's a month for Luxe, are so much better, even with 5 products, than the Luxe boxes have become. So I canceled it. So next month I will be getting base and premium, and I made my choice, which was Monday the 8th, today. It was choice, and they had a pop-up. So the first product that I want to talk about is this one from Alamar Cosmetics that I received in a previous box. And I was pretty bummed out about that. So I got the Alamar Cosmetics Pero Primero Primer Longwear Sticky Pigment Base, which retails for $15. And like I said, I have received it in a previous box, I think like 2 months ago. And I was like, oh, whatever. I'm not even going to message them. I'm not even going to try, because they always give me the runaround, and it's annoying. Today that I woke up, I was like, fine, I'll just message them, let them know, hey, I already got this product. And I see a message, an email from BoxyCharm. Oh, we sent you the same product. Da, 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 da. Here's $12 credit for our pop-up shop. Which I was like, what? But then I thought about it. Okay, I mean, I guess from getting nothing or getting a runaround response to getting that, I guess it is what it is. I went to the shop, and I spent a little more money, but that's okay, because there was 3 products. Well, I got 4 products. One of them being the Glow Recipe Papaya Makeup Remover Balm, which I've been wanting to try. It was there for $18, which is, you know, I would say like less than half of the price of what it normally is. So I was like, let me get that. And then I saw they had the Real Her eyebrow definer pencil, the color that I liked. And I recently went through 2 more eyebrow pencils. So I was like, you know what? Let me just snag these up right now. I picked up 3 because there were only $3. 3 doll hairs. I was like, yes, ma'am. Let me pick those up. So I'm giving this away because I don't need 3. And I say I have 3 because I had already purchased this when the collection came out. Then I got it in my box, and then I got it in my box again. So I just have a collection of those now. Next, we have from the brand Rodial, which is a brand that I've never heard of, but I will definitely give this a try. It's a soft focus glow drops. It's illuminating glow primer. Honestly, when I first saw it, I was like, I'm not using that. It's a glow primer, and I looked at it and it's pink, so I was like, okay, this is going to be super shimmery and shiny, and yeah, that's not my vibe, especially in a primer. But I went ahead and did like a little swatch on my arm. So it's more like a cream, honestly, like a hydrating cream. See, it does look like it's glowy right there, but there's no shimmer. That's what I mean. It doesn't have any scent to me, or maybe I just don't have my full scent back. But once it dries, I don't smell anything, and it feels nice and soft, and it gives a little hydration, which I actually like that, feeling that on my arm, because when I use full coverage foundations, this will be a perfect product to combine them with, so my face won't get too dried out while wearing the full coverage foundation. And that says it retails for
$60. 60.
I'm always shook at the prices of certain products, especially if I don't know the brand. I'm like, what? Why is it so expensive? Next, we have from the brand, I don't know this brand, I don't know how to pronounce it, Odacite, which honestly, the packaging is super cute, like the color of the product inside. It's a glass packaging, but this is a Blue Aura cleansing water. It retails for $39. Now, I was a little intrigued by this product, and I was like, okay, how is it no rinse? So it's essentially like a micellar water. It's an all-natural, no-rinse micellar cleanser formulated to make cleansing quick, refreshing, and effective. But the whole like no rinse just gives me kind of like the, I don't know, I have to rinse like a micellar style product, but since it doesn't have, it's not oily as well. That's the thing, that I poured some on my hand and it's not oily at all. It just feels like water, but it has holy basil, turmeric. It's infused with aloe vera juice paired with salicylic acid and grapefruit to sweep away dirt, makeup, and pollution in one easy step. So I was like, okay, perfect. I'll use it and I'll take off my eye makeup. And then I read a little bit more down and it says moisten cotton pad and gently sweep over face, avoiding eye area. Good thing I read that, because there would have been an issue right there. No rinse necessary, perfect for all skin types. I mean, will I try it? Maybe, but it just smells a little.
My earring did look. I lost a little back to it. I felt it fall off. Anyways.
It smells weird. Like all those scents together, basil, turmeric, grapefruit, salicylic acid. I'll just try it and I'll let you guys know in my favorites if I liked it or not. And that says it retails for $39. Next, we have this product from Tarte. So they included a Tarteist Double Take eyeliner, and I've actually been looking for a new eyeliner because the one I have from Maybelline, I destroyed it when I was putting the cap on it. It's like a brush tip, and I like went right in between it and the brush went all over the place. So clearly I can't do my eyeliner like that. So this one was kind of perfect timing. It is a double-sided, double-ended eyeliner. It has like a crayon style on one side, which I didn't use, but I did use this side, which the tip looks very fine and thin, but I would like it to be thinner. My Maybelline one is definitely thinner, or maybe it's because that one's a little more like it has a little more movement to it since it's a brush, and this is a felt tip. I did like it. I like how black and matte it dries, because there's some eyeliners that kind of dry down and you think they're going to be really intense, but they have that kind of grayish look to them. I don't like those. So if you have any favorite eyeliners that you recommend, leave them down below, because I am in the hunt for one. And it doesn't matter if it's high-end or drugstore. I'm open to trying any as long as it's really good. And that eyeliner says it retails for $24. And then we have this product from Pure. It's a Submerge Overnight Detox Anti-Pollution Moisturizer. which says it retails for $34. This was actually my choice for the month of February, and for my base box, it was the Ace Beauty palette. So this packaging is just so cute. I actually really, really like that. It's so interesting and fun. So it, oh, no ma'am. No ma'am. Why do they do this? Why don't they put the little protector so that this won't happen? This makes me not trust the product and not want to use it, honestly. The same thing happened with the the Glam Glow berry something mask or moisturizer that they included in a box a couple months ago. Like, this is gross all over. It just makes me not want to use it. Also, does this look like half of the product is gone? I mean, not even all the product here would look like that. It's not even that much product up here, but it literally looks like it's halfway done. I don't know. I don't think I would try it. I'll let you guys know. I'll update you guys. I hate when they do that. It's so annoying. And lastly, and probably my favorite product from this box, is from Huda Beauty. I was hoping I got one of these palettes, and I almost thought I wasn't because I chose a palette for my base box, but I got one of the Pastel Mini Obsessions palettes from Huda Beauty. This one retails for $29, and I got the lilac. They had, it was a variation between the lilac, I think the like aqua one, and then a pinky one. I was excited to get this one. I personally have a ColourPop little lavender palettes, and they definitely look different. I compared them side by side already. They are all different, which that makes me very happy. I'm excited to try this out. I would definitely let you guys know or use it in a future video because it's such a cute palette. It's a perfect like spring palette. It's just so cute, and it'll go perfect with my collection back here. And that's basically it for this box. Overall, for this month, I didn't feel like it was very Valentine Day-ish or very, you know, the theme of the box. Like, sometimes it does go all together, but this month I would have liked to seen maybe like a red lipstick or pink lipstick in the boxes for everyone, so it could feel a little more Valentine Day-ish. But I mean, that's just my opinion. Again, overall for both boxes, I would give them a C. There are some good products, but it just wasn't as exciting, or it wasn't like super interesting as other months. I'm still happy with what I got, and I will use it, and I will update you guys, of course, in my favorites on what I like, what I didn't like. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you all in my next video.